Look at this. Right now, the whole area is turning pink. Let's see if I can get it in time. But, and purple, as the sun is setting, yep, we have crepuscular rays. Look at that. Kind of bright out here for bats. But look. That's the west. Oh wait, let's get this guy flying by. Since there's hardly any wildlife. As the sun is setting. But then how do we get... Look at that. There's no sun over here as the rays. See, I understand the rays there. I don't understand how that one goes. A booger rat. Look. You can see the scalar markings in the middle of it. Right there. What the heck was that? What the heck? Did you see that? The bird's like dragging, like I see drops doing that. Let's see if I can see it again. All right. Sun is setting. Crepuscular rays completely across the whole entire sky. And there's one struggling to come through. Look at those colors. Look at that. Straight right angle. See it? I don't think the wind blows like that. Purple, pink sunset with the sun rays all the way from east across my zenith to the east and west. There's no sun over there. Let's see the creepy. What's in your skies? Huh? What crap is in your skies? Taking up your oxygen causing Mississippi to destroy our oxygen and put this crap in our air.